like somebody's got the hiccups. It's so crazy that you could feel that.
Mm-hmm.
I was waiting for Lauren to get done with the lines to ask her about my phone.
Go over the other side.